If your Dell docking station is not detecting a monitor, start by checking the basics because most issues are power or connection related. Make sure the dock is connected to the original Dell power adapter and plugged directly into a wall outlet for stable power. Then inspect all display cables and ensure they are firmly connected to both the dock and the monitor. Using certified cables such as DisplayPort or HDMI helps prevent signal problems, and swapping cables can quickly rule out faults. A simple hard reset also helps, so disconnect the dock from power and your laptop, wait about 30 seconds, then reconnect everything, and confirm the monitor is set to the correct input source. If the monitor still isn't detected, update the dock drivers, firmware, and laptop BIOS using Dell Support Assist since outdated software often causes compatibility issues. In Windows, open Device Manager to confirm the docking station appears without errors and check display settings to enable extend or second screen mode. For USB-C connections, make sure your laptop supports DisplayPort Alt mode, while Mac users should verify display permissions and compatibility settings to allow external monitors to work properly.